Hello and welcome to another video. Today we will be constructing a breadboard on a cardboard. Breadboard are used for prototyping. Use breadboard to lay out your idea before transferring your ideal on a soldering board. On the left is a DC power supply and on the right is a multimeter. DC power supply convert alternate current to direct current which can be used to power breadboard and other devices. And multimeter is used to measure electrical instruments like volts, resistance and current. Remember, red is positive and black is negative. Let's measure the voltage from the DC power supply with the multimeter. Red wire connect to red wire and black wire connect to black wire. There is a little voltage drop but good enough. Let's turn on the LED light directly from the DC power supply. The light has two of its legs extending out. One leg is longer than the other. The longer leg is positive and the shorter leg negative. Connect the red line to the longer leg and the black line to the shorter leg and the light should light up. Let's measure the resistance of this resistor. Resistor has no positive or negative side. So, connect any LED of the multimeter to any leg of the resistor. And of course turn the multimeter nut to the resistor symbol. And the value should display.